Today my children no go school. My children no go school. Today not be Friday. Today supposed to be school. But guess wetin happen? For this town where I did. For this town where I did like this. One small rain just fall. Okwobele milli like this. Small rain will go just fall. You no go see keke outside. Waiting. They say we where they trek up and down. Make we also they suffer. We no go see keke. Keke no go come out. Once rain just drop, I can no be saying na even heavy rain time. As in once it drops small like this, you no go see single keke. Then let alone today we say the thing drop plenty since yesterday rain dey fall. I wake up this morning, my children no go school because of waiting. Small rain fall like this. Wetin happen be say keke everywhere they just lock up. No one gree come out. Hanapuo, wetin they go they do? Eh? For this town where I dey tell you, this town where I dey, may I no even mention the name of the town. Once rain just drop, you no go see one keke. We will not get car. We go just carry leg, they trek am. I don't check am. I no fit trek like that. And you no go come out immediately see keke. I had to tell my children say make they no go school today. Based on say I don't dey experience am already now. Now national anthem for this place. Rain go just from Baka, you go see say they don't enter inside. What did they do? They dey inside with their wife. If not be their wife, their side chick. If not be their side chick, their baby mama and baby pikin. They go just dey inside the knack. No, is this thing good? Make una just help me judge this thing. Is it good? They go just dey inside the knack. What you the knack for? You know come out come make money. Some people no sabi do business. Some people no sabi. I keep saying it. Some people no sabi do business. Rain fall. You know see people go school at early morning time. We be say you know see people dey outside. They won't go school. You need to carry your keke come outside, come make money. But no be for here. Once rain just fall, they go just enter inside immediately. You think say na to enter inside go they avoid the rain? Now knocking straight, now they do. And when I go say make I no talk. If I talk, they go say to me to they talk. I need to talk. I need to voice out. Waiting. That's the only they say person will not get car, make the person no enjoy keke again. Keke again, you know fit enjoy keke with your checkless small money. 100 naira no be saying a small money like that again for Nigeria. Rain go just for you enter inside. The thing they pay me because my children no go school because of waiting. Because of say keke no go even come out. Why will keke come out? Keke no go come out. They go just dey inside the knack, straight knacking. And I go say make I no talk. I need to talk. I need to verse. I dey verse. Because when I see say somebody know they do business, how you supposed to? As in, you know they do business, how you supposed to do your business? That thing they pay me. A lot of people know sabi do business at all. Una no know say na that time where rain fall, na that time you go come out, come hustle where get money, enter inside, go feed your family. But no, una go enter inside. Ndocho. Una go enter inside. I go start the wait for keke from morning to night. The thing go they pay me for my bone marrow. Una say make I no talk. Make I no talk. Say anything I go talk. Almost something they pay you for heart, you need to talk it out. You need to voice it out. Waiting. Small rain will just fall like this. Plenty children today they don't go school because already now their lifestyle now be this one. Once rain just fall back they know they come out outside again. They could just nap inside coliri wine. You knock here. Now so they just they do. You go stand. The other day where rain fall, now small rain fall like this. And nobody for the whole road, everybody just stranded. They wait for keke. Keke no come. Last na person can't take us lifts. No be if na just good Samaritan, just come out like this, can't carry me and my children, go drop us for school. Now God go bless that man. Because honestly, I don't understand what these keke people they do. Una life, make una better stop am. Yes, make una better stop am. Rain just fall, small rain just fall like this. Una na woko. Go the mingrimo anyhow. Now mingrimo finish, the wife go come get belly. Piam, they go start the I don't know how I want to take care of my wife. She don't get belly. When you are supposed to be running helter skelter, rain they fall in the morning, you carry your keke, come pack people where they go school. No, you no go do like that. You go enter inside, go the knack. You knack finish, come say, make her not talk. Chineke me kwaru nebere. Chineke meru nebere. Anyway, I rest my case. Tomorrow no school. Make I see next time where rain go fall. Make una no come out. Come carry me go school. Make I deal with una. Sit down. Do so chill.